Yeah, there's a confirmation of the Amnesty International. Yes, in Gaza there is genocide. Hello everyone, welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. Want to remind you, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, so we have a speed test tomorrow. Alright, and in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9703. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one is 16. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. It's indicated with a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 0 stars or maybe a 1 star. For 0 stars puzzle I need 13 minutes to solve. For 1 star puzzle, faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes give me 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the inside box, the inside box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes. No. Oh. Overlook this single box. Always a 1. Okay, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that here we have 1. This box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more? No, only 2 of those puzzles. Those figures, structures, constructions, or shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do I have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Rotate it. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The last shape, I believe. Rotate it. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Oh, overlook this one. Yeah, that one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box level 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box level 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4, alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So the other pair in this area for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box, so 1. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be and 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area supposed to be there. Then let me see. This box can be 3, this box can be 1, so 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Well. Let me think. This box can be a 2 And that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This box can be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box can be a 4, because if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of these 3 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.